everyone. So here is a quick video on how to access your Flipgrids that your teachers have posted to you. So I'm here in my Seesaw class and my teacher posted a Flipgrid activity and her directions say click on the word link on the left hand side. So I click on the word link and it takes me to a video and I know it's a link because there's a link right here. So I click in the middle of my picture and it opens it up in Safari. So I can stay right here, but if I have Flipgrid on my iPad, I can tap on open and open it up in the app. So here I am in Flipgrid, and I have some topics in here. So this topic is called Making Mummies, and I've got 4 different topics that my teacher has posted. So I go in and I can pick a topic if it's a specific topic she wanted me to post, but I know this one she wants me to do Making Mummies. So I've got some directions here that I can read, or if I have this little blue button, it's called the Immersive Reader. I can tap on the Immersive Reader and I can actually have my iPad read it to me by hitting the play button.
When ancient Egyptians died, they were mummified for their journey to the afterlife.
So if I want to read it in English, I can do that, or I can click on the book and change my language, and maybe I read much better in Arabic. I click on Arabic, and then I definitely need to hit document. I need to change the whole thing. So I change document. It actually changes my text into Arabic, and then when I hit play,
عندما توفي المصريون القدماء تم
I'm going to go back to English because I actually don't read Arabic, so I don't understand any of those words. Now, let's say that there is a word that I don't understand. Maybe I don't know what organs means. I can actually tap on that word. I can hear what it sounds like.
Organs.
But it also shows me a picture dictionary. Now, it doesn't work with all the words that are there, but some words it will. So it doesn't hurt to tap on the word and see if there is a picture dictionary. I can also change the text. If I tap on that little A, I can make the text size bigger or smaller. I can change the spacing, the fonts, the color. Sometimes it's easier to see it in a different color. I can also see the syllables, so I know how to say the word. Like mummified is a huge word, but when I separate it into syllables, it's a little easier to read. And I can also see all the nouns or all the verbs. They all turn into different colors. So that's called Immersive Reader. Anytime you see that blue tool that looks like this, the book with a little microphone on it, you can tap on that and it'll do Immersive Reader. You're going to see that in a lot of your other tools as well. So right here, you've got your picture. Sometimes your teacher has posted a document or a video. If I tap it, it shows me what it is. This one is an image. It doesn't look like it's loading very well, but it's an image that my teacher wanted me to see. Sometimes my teachers also attach websites or Google Docs or things that I can reference before I do my Flipgrid. So I tap on that link and it takes me to a website. Maybe she wanted me to visit this website first before I do my Flipgrid. So this one is with mummies and paintings. So it's loading. There we go. So I've got mummies and paintings. She wants me to look at that before I answer my Flipgrid. So I can always go back. See, it says Flipgrid right here. I can always go back to my Flipgrid. So when I'm ready to respond, I'm going to click on the giant green plus sign. I tap on that plus sign and it says I either need to download the app or open the app. Now, because I have Flipgrid already on my iPad, I'm going to tap on open app and it opens it right in Flipgrid. Now, here we go. And it asks me to log in. And then I just go continue. I tap on my login, and then I am in. So I can hit record on my Flipgrid, and now I'm actually recording and talking to my teacher. When I'm ready, I can hit the play button right here and submit it to her, but I've also got a lot of tools in here that I can play around with. If I tap on the book, I can actually see my topic. So if I forget what I was supposed to talk about, I can actually have it just sitting right here. I can even move it over, and so that way it's kind of out of my way. I can also tap up here in this yellow square, and this is a sticky note. So I could type in exactly what I want to say, and the people who are watching my video won't actually see all the stuff that I have on here. So once I'm ready, I can type all my stuff, and then I can hit record again. Hi, this is my recording. and then I'm ready to submit it to my teacher. If I don't like it, I have a trash can down here, and I also have my 3 dots. If I want to add a different video clip, or if I want to record without any audio, I can do that as well. But I'm ready to submit it. So I tap the little play button, and now I'm actually recording. It makes me watch it, which is really important. I want to make sure that I can see it. If I'm doing this on a device and it's flipped the wrong way, I can flip it. There's a little button right down here that lets me flip my video. Make sure when you're done, your video looks like this. It takes up the whole screen. And then when I'm ready, I hit the green button again. It makes me take a selfie because my teacher wants me to take a selfie. And then I hit the green button to submit. I have my name already there. If I go by a different name, or if it's a different name that my teacher wants me to put on there, I can put it there. If my teacher wanted me to have a title or a link, I have that option. And then when I'm done, I click Submit Video. All done. My teacher did allow me to either share this video or download this video if I wanted to, but I don't have to. The one thing I do want you to notice, it says this topic is moderated. Your video is pending approval and will become visible once approved by the grid educator. So that means that I know I turned in my video, and that's okay. It says moderated. It's not going to show up here because my teacher wants to look at it first before she posts it. If you have any questions, reach out to your teacher, and have a great day.